baking surface gap on the current model waffle cone baker unit is preset at the factory and adjustable in the field. Occasionally the baking surfaces can separate. To adjust the gap between the surfaces, follow these procedures. Step 1. Unplug the baking unit and allow it to cool completely. Step 2. Turn the back of the baker towards you. Step 3. With the top down, hold a large diameter screw located on each side of the hinge with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 4. Use a 7/16 open-ended wrench to loosen the nut on the inside of the hinge while holding the screw. Step 5. With a piece of paper between the baking surfaces in the closed position, apply pressure to the top surface while tightening the nuts in the hinge evenly on each side. Step 6. Latch the front and attempt to pull the paper from between the baking surfaces. If the paper is not removable, you are reset. Open the top, remove the paper, and plug in the unit.